How to fix DISM Error 87. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Services on your device. In Services, scroll down and search for Windows Module Installer. Right-click on it and click on Properties. After you click on Properties, in Startup type, make sure it's automatic. Then press on Apply at the bottom and press on OK. After you have done that, again, right-click on it and press on Properties again. After you go to Properties, click on Start in here, which is below Service Status. After you start it, again press on Apply at the bottom. After it's started, you can open your command prompt and your error will be fixed. This is how to fix DISM Error 87. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.